Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping everything so the cooking phase flows. First, wash and dry 8-10 hawthorn fruits. Moisture will ruin the glaze, so be thorough. Next, thread fruits onto 10 bamboo skewers with even spacing for uniform coating. Measure 200 g sugar, 75 ml water, and 1 teaspoon white vinegar to control crystallization and shine. Once done, set a non-stick tray nearby and light a gas burner or heat a wok. You'll move fast when the syrup reaches temperature, so have everything at hand. You make the syrup carefully to get that clear, crisp shell. Combine 200 g sugar and 75 ml water in a small saucepan and heat over medium. Once boiling, add 1 teaspoon vinegar to prevent graininess. Monitor temperature until about 150 degrees C or use the cold water test. A hard, brittle thread means you're ready. Once achieved, reduce flames slightly and dip each skewer quickly. Rotate to coat all sides. Make sure to work in small batches so the syrup stays molten and glossy. Otherwise, it will harden. You finish by cooling and checking each skewer for an even shell. Immediately place coated Bing Tang Hulu on parchment. Let sit 2-3 minutes until the sugar hardens into a shiny, brittle glaze. If some areas look dull or uneven, briefly reheat leftover syrup and lightly drizzle, then let set again. If your syrup crystallizes while cooking or becomes grainy, stop, remove from heat, and stir in about 1 teaspoon water until smooth. This dissolves crystals, so you can continue without losing texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.